Calculating results. Access granted. Initiating sequence. Engaging emergency drain. Critical levels dropping. He's gonna be okay. Status report. He's perfect! The ultimate power! Warning! Critical systems failing! Emergency breach imminent! No! Shut it down! What's happening?
Stasis breach. Velocity unknown. The readings are spiking. It's too fast. We have a kinetic overload. He's breaking the machine. Breach alert. Containment failure. Systems critical. Warning. Unauthorized entry.
It's too late! Contamination breached. Please, Sonic. You will pay for this, Amy.
Oh, so the ultimate life form is just giving up? Good to know.
I hope my two favorite inmates are comfortable. Welcome to my maximum security block.
Amy? You've got to be kidding me.
That's Warden Rose to you, prisoner.
Let us out immediately, or I will destroy this place.
Don't test me, Shadow. I make the rules here. System encryption level maximum. Initiating core stabilization. Confirm. Arg! Too strong!
Can't hold it!
Stay down. Both of you.
Chaos control. What? They found us! Get ready!
Truce? You bet! H hurts so bad!
Vital signs are rising. We need to administer the serum now.
Are you sure it will work?
Make it stop. Please. I can't.
Oh, please. Please wake up. Don't leave me. I can't lose you. I feel so weird. The readings are off the charts. Oh no. Who is that? Stay back. It's them.
It's okay, Sonic. Stay with me.
We're ready, Sonic. Just hold still. No! Stop, Tails! Hold still, Sonic. This is for your own good. Oh my goodness! What is that? It's too bright. Help. Sonic? Are you all right? Oh my gosh, he's okay. Oh man, this is bad! It's glowing! What's happening? Whoa! I'm okay! He's shrinking! You did it, Sonic! Ah, that's better.
Whoa!
Is that what I think it is?
Another boring day. This is the worst. I trust you know what you're doing, Hedgehog.
We'll find out, officer. I never thought I'd see you here.
Me neither, but I'm glad I found you.
I never thought I'd see you here. I care about you, Amy. I know, Shadow. I care about you too. You shouldn't be here. I wouldn't be anywhere else.
Keep up, I don't have all day. Huh? Wait. Oh, no! No, 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 no! You won't keep me here! I'm getting out!
What was that? The anomaly is reacting to something. This is absolutely delicious.
Faster! I have to get even faster!
This is so much better than running. Oof. Why is this so heavy? It's just a little pink thing.
Because you're not trying. Focus, Amy! Focus! That, is it!
Eat this. It's for your own good, Amy. I care about you. Thank you, Sonic.
We'll get there, Amy.
I missed the chocolate already. This place has the best margarita, Sonic.
Waste of time. Grab a seat, Shads. My treat. Thanks, Sonic.
Ooh, extra cheese, garlic bread. I want it all.
Just get the largest one. I want to leave. Come on, come on. Too slow. Here you go. 1 giant pepperoni, extra cheese,
And whoa.
This is absolutely delicious. Oh no! My tummy! Excuse me,
Amy, you okay over there? Like, seriously. What is wrong with her? My eyes are burning.
Oops. I guess extra cheese was a bad idea.
Chili dogs or chaos emeralds? Seriously? What are these scribbles?
Coup?
Fine, whatever. Just try to be more specific next time.
You know I'll be back, right?
You're buying groceries this time, no chaos emeralds. Heh, we'll see about that, old man. Where is everyone? What happened here? Not again.
Giggles happily. Chews and giggles again.
You idiot! Now you've done it! Leave me alone, Shadow. I didn't mean to. Chaos control! All right, stay in there. Just give me a minute.
Sonic, be careful. Oops! No! Are you all right, little guy? Baby Sonic! Where are you? Peekaboo! Surprise! Ah! Yowen.
Oh.
Mro? Oh yeah, another chili dog. I'm unstoppable.
Delicious. This is the best chili dog ever. Ox.
Oh, it hurts so much. Make it stop.
Must. Flex. Away. Pain. Grunt.
B. Cool. I can take it. Groan.
This is taking forever. Hush, my tummy's a drum.
Here it is. Thank chaos. Oh, finally. About time. Let's go.
Move! I'm stuck! Me too! My belly!
Get this thing moving. I can't breathe. Out of my way. This feels like punishment. Punishment for what? Chili dogs? Chow chow! Oh my goodness!
Just relax. Relax? I think I swallowed a chili dog army.
Never again. Not even for a race. Side.
Take this! 1 large spoon!
No! Way, my friend. Gulp. It's so bitter. Ugh. Bleh. Ah!
Woo! Finally! My stomach is back!
Never felt better. That's what...
I thought. Ice cream.
Ice? Cream?
No!
Run!